guys, let's look at the second question of our test review. It says that Rita bought 3 4/48 pounds of bananas at the store. How is this number written in expanded notation? Well, when I have a number, even if it's written in words, I'm still going to circle it with my cube strategy. Okay, so 3 4/48. How is this number written in expanded notation? Okay, so I'm looking for expanded notation, which I can see right here. So what I want to do is I want to write that number first. 3, don't forget the word and, means that's your decimal point. And 48 hundredths. All right, so I'm going to use that strategy where I'm going to drop it down. Okay, and then next to it, I'm going to say that's the same thing as saying 3 times, and this is my ones place, so 3 times 1. And then I'm going to come over here and eliminate ones that can't be my answer. Like the 3 times 100, no, that is not in the 100s place. Okay, so both of these have 3 times 1. Both of those work. All right, so next I'm going to go here to my tenths place. And remember, this is my hundredths place. So I'm going to drop that 4 down. All right, just like this. And then I'm going to say, okay. I can put a 0 there if I want. This is the same thing as saying 4 times. And I need to think about how I would write a tenth. And to write a tenth, you would just put 0.1. Because the tenths place is right next to the decimal. And so your 1 has to be right next to this decimal. Okay, so let's come over here and look. 4 times 0.1, yes. 4 times 0.01, no. This right here, that would be your tenths place. This is your hundredths place. So not this one. But I'm going to make sure this is written correctly. So I drop my 8 down, I fill this in with a 0, then a decimal, then a 0. Rest in with zeros. So it's 8 times 0 decimal. I've got to put another 0 because of this one, and then 1. And that looks the same. Yes. So F. So do the strategy that you're seeing right here, and then eliminate. Eliminate what you can as you go along. That's a testing strategy, really.